Huh. Now, second property is periodicity. Now, the statement of periodicity is if a sequence x of n is periodic with periodicity of n samples, then n point DFT x of k is also periodic with a periodicity of n sample. Now, here from this statement, we can write if x of n and x of k means discrete time signal and discrete Fourier transform signal are n point DFT pairs. Then x of n plus n is equal to x of n for all n. Similarly, you can write DFT of means DFT signal x of k in bracket k plus n is equal to x of k for all k. Now to prove here, we go for the statement, we understand the proof, that is here as x of k plus n, if you write, then as per the definition of x of k means DFT definition says summation of n is equal to 0, summation of n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e raised to minus j 2 pi nk by n. But now here a term is added k plus n, means along with k here n is added, so we write here a term that is x of n, that is a discrete signal, and e raised to minus j 2 pi nk by n. Okay, we write it in this fashion. Okay, so here k is added with n. Okay, now, because of this, the term is modified. Now, we solve this term. Okay, we separate this k term as well as n term. Okay, so we write here the separated term, that is n summation of n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into. Now, here two e terms is coming. First e terms will carries minus j 2 pi n into k by n. So that's why I write here minus j 2 pi n k by n. Okay. Now into. Now the second term is with a capital N instead of k. So I write here e raised to minus j 2 pi n. Now here instead of k I write here capital N divided by n. Okay, you got this separation. Now here from this term, here n and n both are get cancelled, and you will get the term that is e raised to minus j 2 pi n. Okay, e raised to minus j 2 pi n. Now this term is getting, so I write here, okay, summation of n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e raised to minus j 2 pi nk by n into e raised to minus j 2 pi n. Now here this term says that it is directly proportional to 1. Okay, this term is directly proportional to 1. Okay, so as if it is 1, I write the modified term, I write the final term, that is summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e raised to minus j 2 pi nk by n. Okay, now here if you say the definition, okay, so as per the definition here this term is directly matches with our x of k. So that's why I write here the finally this term is get replaced as a x of k. Now I can say here this x of k is obtained because of the periodicity. So that's why the input term was x of k plus n. Okay, so x of k plus n is equal to x of k for all values of k, and this value is proved. Okay.